Welcome to Mato Chef. Today we're gonna show you how to make the easiest coffee cake you can make. It's gonna be a coffee banana cake. Let's start the ingredients. You're gonna get one cup of sugar, 1 cup of your preferred flour, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and one tablespoon of baking powder. Let's mix the ingredients. Put the sugar in, the powder, the cinnamon, and the baking powder. We mix everything until it's a very homogeneous mixture. Okay, if you see, it's very well mixed now. All the ingredients we just drop inside this bowl. The next, we're gonna make what we're gonna use to cover it, because we don't need to put water or anything. You're gonna use this way. Okay, next, to make the mix, the cover, we're gonna get 2 eggs. 2 eggs. Okay. 1 cup of milk, and 1.8 ounce of butter, melted butter, and we are going to mix everything. Also, we need to add 2 tablespoons of sugar. Let me get it because I forgot to get it yet. Okay, we're gonna add our 2 tablespoons of sugar. 1, 2. Then we're gonna mix everything here. Let me get a fork, it will be better to mix. Okay, mix everything. Okay, our covers is well mixed here. Okay, as you can see. The next step, we're going to cut our bananas in half. Okay, the trick is, if you get like a very starting getting darky bananas, is way better because you get a better flavor out of it. But what do? You get a banana, okay, get the skin out and slice in half. Okay, we're gonna do this with all our 8 bananas we have here. We might need a little bit more, but I think 8 should be enough for the size of cake we are making. So we have sliced out our bananas. Now let's start arrange our cake. This is an 18-inch mold we have here, and pretty much what I have here should fit this pretty well. Okay, the first thing we're gonna do, you're gonna get our mix here. You're gonna get a half cup. Okay, first half cup on the bottle. Okay, let's fill my half cup here. Half cup. And we are going to shake around. Make sure it's distributed well all over. Okay, see? Because we don't want the banana touching the bottle. Okay, they should be enough. So very nice. Okay, next we're gonna put the bananas there. We're gonna put our bananas. Okay, after we fill with our bananas, we're gonna get 1 cup of our mix that we just made and cover again. Let's go. Just 1 cup now, a full cup of the mix. Make sure it's real full. Okay, now it's 1 cup here. We're gonna cover the bananas with these. Then we're gonna add more bananas. Let me do one thing here. See, we cover our bananas with our mix, our cake mix that we just made. So now we're gonna add more bananas here. Another layer of bananas. Oops. See, if you see our 8 bananas fit exactly what we said. Now we got the rest of the pounder we have, the cake mix we have, and we're going to drop it here and spread around. Now we have everything covered with our flour that we just had. We're gonna get our top that we made with sugar, eggs, milk, and butter. We're gonna mix it a little bit more to make sure it's mixed. Okay. Then we're going to cover the entire cake with this. So it's covered now, and next we're gonna get a knife or fork, whatever you have on your hands. We're gonna kind of poke some holes here to make sure the liquid goes all the way down. Okay. That's it. The next step now, we're going to heat our oven to 350 degrees for a 9. Now we're gonna get our cake mix that we did. We're gonna put it in the oven for 55 minutes. Okay, I'm gonna set my timer here to 55. Now let's wait it finish. Once done, we're gonna come back. So we have finished our 55 minutes in the oven, and look how it looks. If you look, it's very soft. Look how it's very nice. If you poke inside, still look very nice. Now let's remove this from the mold. I don't recommend use this mold here because it's a little tricky because it leaks. And sometimes can give you a hard time to make the cake. See, it's right here, our cake. I think I'm gonna get this all together right here. This is our cake. Now let's take a slice and try. I decided to get this one because it makes it easier to take it out from the mold. Oh, it's nice. Look at this. I would maybe leave a little bit more than 55 just to get a little bit more hard. Let's try it out. It's amazing. I even made a coffee to drink with that. Very good. See you in the next episode of Mato Chef. Bye bye.